In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get stretched resolution on any NVIDIA graphics card using NVIDIA control panel. To get started, the first thing that you need to do is open up the NVIDIA control panel. Now inside of NVIDIA control panel, the first thing that we're going to do is create our custom resolution. To do that, select the change resolution task from the menu on the left side of your screen and then click on customize. In this window, click on the create custom resolution button and now a window like this is going to appear. The first thing that we need to modify here is the horizontal pixels. So this is going to be the horizontal resolution that we want to set. The resolution that I want to add is 1680 by 1050. So I'm going to set the value in this box to 1680 and the vertical resolution is going to be 1050. Once you set your resolution, next we need to set our refresh rate. Here you need to set the maximum refresh rate that is supported by your monitor. In my case, my display supports a 165 Hz refresh rate. So I'm going to set this to 165. Once that is done, you need to leave all the other settings to default and then click on test. Now it's not letting me add this resolution. So what I'm going to do is just for the sake of this video, I'm going to set this to 1685. Now if we click on test, your screen is going to go black for a second and then it's going to turn back on. And once it turns back on, just click on yes. Once you click yes, it's going to save your resolution and return the display back to its native resolution. Once you save the resolution, just click on OK. Now, if you check the resolution list in the custom tab, you're going to see our new resolution. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that if your resolution does not appear in this list, what you need to do is click on customize and make sure that enable resolutions not exposed by the display is checked. If you don't enable this, your custom resolution might not appear in this list. So click on the resolution, make sure to check the refresh rate and then click on apply. Now once we apply the resolution, you can see that we've got black bars on both sides of our screen. To fix this, all you need to do is click on adjust desktop size and position. Now under the scaling tab, set the scaling mode to full screen. Perform scaling on should be set to display. And then enable this setting right here. Now for the preview, make sure that you set the resolution to your current resolution and also set the refresh rate to the maximum supported value. Once you do that, just click on apply. Now your display is going to be stretched and your stretch resolution is going to work properly. So this was pretty much how to enable true stretch resolution using the NVIDIA control panel. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. If you're facing any issues with your PC or laptop, or if you'd like to simply improve the performance of your system, you can check out the link to my optimization service in the description of this video. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.